Well, here's my kitchen after I don't stick to my 5-minute evening reset. It gets away from me sometimes, and today is one of those days. I hope you'll join me as we reset this kitchen together. And I'll tell you more about that in a bit. Some days start before you're even ready, and coffee helps. And so does a little cuddle with Lucky. Time to switch out these full bins and clear some space. These cans fill up faster than you'd think. Fresh bags always make everything feel lighter. Putting some eggs on to boil, easy fuel for a calm afternoon. Taking a few minutes to breathe before jumping back in. I'm giving the lids a quick spray to disinfect and letting that sit. Okay, why does it always look worse once you start? Like, I swear, it wasn't this bad 5 minutes ago. Also, why do glasses multiply? I don't even remember using half of these. Oh, that's right, I have a teenager. Hold on, let me check the eggs. Okay, almost. Back to the sink. Where did these even come from? I swear, dishes just appear. And of course, the dish rack tray. Look at it, hard water. Okay, egg time. This is my little reward. Do dishes get eggs? But we're getting the eggs first, apparently. Fair trade. Also, does anyone else's cat supervise everything? Like, Misty's always lurking behind me somewhere. Ma'am, you are not on payroll. Okay, back to real life. Rinse this off, put this back. We're getting there. Slowly, but we are. Sometimes lunch is just whatever's easy, and that's fine. No fancy meal prep over here. Once I start washing, that's when my brain finally chills out. Her hands move steadily, fingers tracing familiar shapes in warm water, but her mind drifts far beyond the kitchen walls. She imagines soft velvet grass beneath her bare feet, each blade swaying gently in a breeze that whispers secrets through towering ancient trees. Somewhere close by, squirrels dart nimbly among moss-covered branches, tiny paws clutching the nuts she carefully left out this morning. They pause mid-leap, their bright eyes catching sunlight, almost as if they're nodding in thanks. Birds flutter in a delicate dance around a wooden feeder, feathers catching rays of gold and amber, their joyous songs rising and swirling in the afternoon air. She can almost hear their melody now, bright, hopeful, alive. A gentle reminder that even when days feel heavy, life keeps flowing. In her thoughts, she settles into her garden on a soft summer afternoon, sunlight warming her skin like a gentle embrace. There is no rush here, No weight of time, just the steady rhythm of breath and heartbeat. The harsh light of the kitchen fades away, replaced by a sky painted in soft pastels, where clouds drift lazily on a slow morning breeze. Time stretches out like a quiet river, kind and forgiving. Nothing asks for more than she can give. Her movements slow, each one unfolding like a step along a familiar secret path that she's walked 1,000 times before. The clutter, the noise, the mess, all lose their weight, melting into the background like a forgotten dream. She remembers now. Perfection was never the goal. Peace was what she sought all along. The gentle rhythm of water, the soft clink of dishes settling into place, weaves itself into a quiet, soothing melody. She feels lighter here, not because the work is done, but because she has stayed, present, patient, calm. Right here, in this moment, calm reaches out and wraps around her like a warm, familiar blanket. It settles over her shoulders slowly, like evening light slipping through curtains. She feels herself soften. Her breath slows, her thoughts quiet. Out there in her imagined world, leaves sway gently, catching sunlight like tiny mirrors. Somewhere, water trickles over smooth stones, never rushing, never resisting, just moving forward in its own time. She follows that rhythm. Each plate, each cup, each small motion becomes part of that gentle flow. She isn't racing toward finished. She's resting inside the doing. The air feels lighter here, the sky wider, the day kinder. Even the smallest things feel meaningful. A bird tilts its head. A squirrel pauses on a branch. The breeze carries the scent of warm earth. And in this quiet place, she remembers. She doesn't have to earn her peace. She's allowed to have it. Right now, exactly as she is. She carries this quiet calm with her, soft and steady. A gentle reminder that nothing has to be perfect, only honest. Honest about being tired, honest about trying, honest about starting again. No pretending, no picture perfect. Just real life, held gently. In her imagined garden, flowers grow in uneven rows. Some lean, some bloom late, some surprise her. And all of them belong. She smiles at that thought. Because her life looks the same. A little messy, a little beautiful, always becoming. The sun shifts slowly overhead. Shadows stretch and soften. Time doesn't rush here. It waits. It listens. It understands. And she feels safe enough to simply exist inside it. The quiet stays with her. Not loud. Not demanding. Just steady. Like a soft hum in the background of her heart. She knows she'll forget sometimes. She'll rush. She'll worry. She'll doubt herself. But this place, this feeling, will always be waiting. Like a familiar path in the woods. Like a favorite song. Like home. All she has to do is slow down and remember. She knows the messy days will come again. The busy days. The heavy days. But she also knows, deep in her heart, she can always return here. To this place that is quiet, gentle, safe. And slowly, she feels herself returning. Back to the room. Back to the light. Back to the gentle rhythm of home. The imagined sky fades, but the calm remains. It settles into her bones, into her breath, into her smile. She looks around, not for what's wrong, not for what's missing, but for what's right. Clean dishes, clear space, a little more peace than before. Proof that small efforts matter. Proof that she matters. This moment will pass. They always do. But she'll carry this feeling with her. Into tomorrow. Into the next busy day. Into the next messy moment. A quiet promise to herself. I can always come back here. I hope you enjoyed this kitchen reset and our little story time. Have you ever had something you meant to stick to and life just got in the way? You're not alone. So yeah, I don't always stick to that little routine, and that's how it gets like this. But I'm learning, and I'm trying again. And next time, I'll show you what I'm changing. From mindfulness to yours, take care, and I'll see you next time.